Okay, today we're opening Smasher's Dino Island.
One, two, three.
What did we get? So we got Dino foam, whoa. Dino sand, mystery treasure, Dino slime, and of course the Mega Dino egg. We got a Smasher egg, one other Smasher egg, and this is one more. Which you want to open first?
This.
Dino slime, here you go. Ooh, it's gonna be squishy inside. Pieces to the dinosaur inside there.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
I want to play with the little slime.
That's gooey.
Woohoo. Yeah. Oh, I found another leg.
Ooh, it's so gooey.
Mega Dino egg, sure. Whoa! This is big.
Oh, I think I know what that is.
Yes, Spinosaurus.
A what?
A Spinosaurus. I'm not that strong enough. That's why it's not working.
They're just a little tricky. They have to sort of be squeezed on.
Yeah. Okay. That's it.
Cool.
Okay, Dad. Let's work on the egg now.
Eggs? You got it.
Look at this.
Ooh.
It's a crystal with a bug.
Oh yeah, that's a mosquito.
Yeah.
And he's stuck in some amber.
Amber? What is an amber?
Bzzz. It's tree sap from an old ancient tree. And that's an ancient mosquito from the dinosaur era.
Hey, what's this? Dinosaur egg.
Ooh,
It had an eye on it.
it sure does. And a little splat.
Yeah, I think it's poo. Green poo from another dinosaur.
Could be. Oh no!
Oh no, it broke.
It broke. Well, we'll put it together.
Whoa, look at this.
Oh yeah, a little ram.
Yeah, I want to see again.
Mystery treasure. Oh, look at that mean pirate.
Yeah.
Pull it. Oh, what's inside?
Whoa, a pirate and a dinosaur. Just no.
Arr. Next up, Dino sand.
Yep.
Oh. Opening. Oh, I can see the dinosaur legs in there.
Oh.
There you go, as it mushes together.
All we have to do is blow it. Dad, look at this.
What you doing there, bud?
Off of my hair.
Dino foam.
Whoa, dinosaur. Last but not least, the head. Whoa. I'm having too much fun with the whoopsies. Got mixed up.
Yep, little slime in the foam. Shake it up. Brrr. Spinosaurus head.
Spinosaurus dead.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
And he's got a mouthful of foam. What happened? What
Got
happened?
buried in the water because of the Spinosaurus scared him. Wait, get the phone together. Ooh, stickers.
Stickers. Baby T-Rex.
Yeah.
And then we have the big T-Rex.
Mommy T-Rex.
T-Rex bonehead.
Yeah.
Bonehead. And that looks like a little egg with a dinosaur in it.
Wait,
Oh. Oh, look. We forgot an egg, guys.
egg. We forgot an egg. Wait, it's a cute little mouse. Oh, it's sticking. Mom. And a little kangaroo underneath. Whoa!
Smasher's Dino Island. It's a scratch map. And there's bones, octopus.
Where's the bone?
Right here.
But I don't think we have any bones.
And there's a skull. Look at that volcano.
And the dinosaur have stuck in the volcano.
Here, let's see. Number 1. What's washed up at the dino shore? How? You gotta scratch it.
Scratch it. Scratch it.
Oh, it tells you to open the sand. Well, that we did, didn't we?
I know.
Mosquitoes in the sand. All right, how about number 2? Oh, we open up the foam next.
So the sand and the foam and what?
Next up, don't slow down.
Open
up the door.
Now what's next?
Volcano, turning back now. Oh, that's the big package with the dinosaur head.
Yep.
Across to Dino Bay, last but not least.
It was
Are you ready for adventure? The mystery treasure. Okay, so let's recap. Slime with some foam. Yum.
and
Gooey.
I want to play with this. This.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We got the mosquito.
Mosquito, mosquito,
A little rodent. Bison. And the egg. Oh, the dino skull.
There.
Pirate. And of course, big Spino. Don't forget the stickers.
There's one problem. He's up there and he can't move. And he's still alive and he's in the water. That's the problem. This was so much fun. Thanks for watching.